This video belongs to Relaxing End channel, so all credit goes to him. Hey guys, today we are going to unbox Diablo 4 press kit. Look at this box itself. Box looks so cool and everything is so detailed. Now, let's unbox this press kit. Guys, welcome to the hell. Now time to dig. Let's see what is inside this press kit. First thing we have, this Diablo 4 card. And something else inside too. There are clothes inside this press kit. Made in Turkey. This is Diablo 4 t-shirt. And this is Diablo 4 Woody. Now, let's unbox our new Diablo 4 edition, Xbox Series X. An ordinary controller? Is this Xbox Diablo edition? Whatever, at least we get game copy with this controller. But not a physical game copy, we get digital version already pre-install game with this console. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.